Is it a minute? Oh, I thought he just left. I guess he's still in the building. I mean, that makes sense. My most important thing. Coca-Cola. Newspaper. Is there anything? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, here we go. What's this? Statue? Oh my gosh. Oh, hammer! Hammer! I need to drop the newspaper. Hammer! Finally! Protection! We can now upgrade our base to a literal boss fight. Hold up a minute, how you driving? Oh yeah. Wait a minute.
There are lots of bubbles at the
Wrong one.
I need the button.
Hold up. Oh, you're... Okay. Okay then. Huh? Oh, we're already at the next level. Okay then. Oh, shotgun. I need to drink one. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute! Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, never mind. We actually don't need this. What's the... Holy! Yeah, keep driving. Keep driving, okay?
Ow!
Do not let us die, okay? It's a literal horror game, okay? So we need to survive, okay? Ma, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? But hey, at least it's now covered. Hold on a minute, what was that, bro? If it was Jeff, I'm going to freak out.
Go!
Okay,
Let
it's
it
okay.
go!
Just kidding, I'm not going to freak out.
Ayan na. Hindi yan.
Man, it's too much light. Here we go. Ah! Okay.
Okay.
Happy Mother's Day, madam.
Ha 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 ha.
Magawa nila. Nagagawang mas special.
Haha, you cannot get us.
Handaan. Gawa ng boys and girls.
Haha.
I fix that.
You guys are too slow. Haha.
I fix that.
Hirap pa rin. Sapat ba talaga yung fix mo? Fix mo.
Reason I'm just trolling them. Oh! What was that? Okay. Okay. What the? Why are we going back? I hope our fuel doesn't get down by accident. Hold on a minute because there's a building. We should probably go there and check for fuel. Fuel leak. Fuel leak. Time for fuel leak. Okay. Need to find it. Gas! I need to drink one. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Okay, here we go. Ah. Yeah. Here we go. You know what? I hate. You know what? Let me do the outro. Like and subscribe and check for more our team. And comment our team to upgrade my channel. So bye.
Later pa.
Bye.